What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So I did a poll on my community tab and I asked you guys to vote on what my birthday hairstyle is going to be, and y'all chose long box braids. So I got long box braid hair and I'm about to do some long box braids. I can't find my mirror, so I'm going to start with the front of my hair, and then when I find my mirror, or if I have to buy another mirror, and then I'll do the back of my hair. So right now I'm just going to prep it and kind of see how big I want it, because I don't want it to be too small. I ain't trying to be in my hair all day, but then I don't want it to be too big either, to the point where it looks rushed. So I'm going to part my hair. My hair is already greased. I use my Indian hemp Blue Magic. The front of my hair, I want the most braids because I want more body to the front, like when I put it down. Because when I have my braids, I usually wear it down for the most part. I barely put it up because I don't like when it's pulling on the front of my head, so I don't really put it up as much. So I want more hair to the front. So let's see. I asked her how much she recommend if I'm doing them big. I'm not doing them small. She said 4 packs, so I have 4 packs. So this is the first pack. I'm going to open it up and see like how many braids I'll be able to do with one bundle, just to kind of get a feel. Yeah, that's good. I was thinking probably I should slant them down just to see how that's gonna look. Yeah, so I'm going to slant them down. Yeah. Okay, so I already put the hair in 8 sections, and you're just going to cut it in half and put them in a T, like so, and then it's going to be 3 pieces, so it'll be like this. Okay, and this is going to be your middle. This is going to be your right side, and this is going to be your left side. Try not to do this one too big. Try to do it small because it's going to be in half. I mean, it's going to be like one braid, so don't do it as big. And then so that each side will kind of be like the same side. Easy to braid. And then I'm just going to put the hair on her like so into the 3 sections, and then I'm just going to grip it a little tight, not too tight, but tight enough. Then I'm just going to keep braiding down about 5 or 6 times. Well, once I feel it's nice and secure, I'm going to. Okay, so you want to make sure you braid all the way down until the braid is like really thin, what I like to do is while I'm braiding, like after I finish the braid, I just go ahead and trim it one time. That way when I'm done, I'm not having to trim it again. So as soon as I finish braiding, I just go ahead and trim it off. Same thing. So I put this into 2 sections, one section bigger than the next section, and then I do a T like so that it's 3 parts like so this part could slide, and then I make sure that they're even all the way down, and then I take my hair and I put it into 3 sections, and then I'll say 1 section for this one section for the middle, and 1 section for the right side. And then when I hold it like so, I start to braid. Hold it real nice and tight, not too tight, but nice and tight enough. And then I start to braid. And I do about 5 or 6 braids, and then I switch to the next side. So I'll braid it down like this, and then like around right here, I do it the other way, like so. And then I just making sure that my hair is underneath. Like this is my hair and this is the braid. So I just want to make sure my hair is underneath as best as I can. And then when I get to the end of my hair, which is down here, I'll apply some Girl That's Not So. Okay, what's up y'all? I started braiding the hair. It's like nighttime. I'm so tired because I had a client, so I didn't really get to finish my hair. But so far this is what it's looking like. I did the parts going, let me show you. So the parts are slanting. So they're all slanted. This is how it's looking so far. So I just completed this side and it's looking really cute. What is up, parties? So it's day 2. And I'm still here. My hair is not done yet. You know, the front is done, but the back is not done yet. So let me just show you guys how it's looking. I was so sleepy last night that I was like, you don't have to wait, braids. You don't have to wait. I'm gonna need to get my sleep. So this is how it's looking. It's nice and full. I'm about to do the back right now. I can't see the back and I can't find my mirror. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to do the back because I can't see the back. But nonetheless, the back needs to be done. I already have my hair separated. My hair is already detangled, so the back needs to get done. It's gonna get done today. I'm going to do, since I can't see the back, I'm going to part right here. I can't see it, but I'm hoping it's straight. Is it straight? I don't know. I'm hoping it's straight. Let me see. Yeah, it's straight enough. Another way you could braid, another way you could section the hair into 3, which is how I used to do it most of the time, all the time, is like you would have 2, you would have 1 strand of hair, and then I would just like separate this side into 2. The only thing with this method is that obviously this side will have the most hair. So when you put in your hair in 3 sections, you would just do it to kind of match this. So you would put like the most hair in the strand that has the most hair and kind of thin out the other ones. So okay, so I finished that 1 row. I'm gonna show you how it's looking. So this is the first row, the 4 braids. And then I'm just going to, it'll be like a zigzag. So now I'm going on the other side and I'm passing it straight across, like so. And I'm just going to do the same thing and go all the way up. Almost done.
Before she died, I was lucky enough to hear her tell me that she loves me too.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is how my hair turned out today. I rocked it like this. I had this in the back and I pretty much wore it like this. This is the length of the hair. It's looking real cute. I dipped the ends in hot water and then I put a lot of mousse all through my hair so that it's not stiff. Yeah, this is how it's looking. Let me show you the back. This is the back. This is how the back is looking. It's nice and full because of the way I parted it. They were crisscrossing on top of each other. It's nice and full.